I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love Lost on guitar. First, you will need to place a capo on the second fret of your instrument. Make sure your guitar is tuned to standard EA-D-G-B-E. We will focus on 3 very basic and easy open chords to get you started playing this great song. It's a straightforward approach that sounds fantastic. The 3 essential chords for Love Lost are a minor, F major, and C major. These are common open chords, making the song accessible for many players. Focus on pressing down firmly to ensure each note rings out clearly and cleanly. Practice transitioning between these 3 shapes slowly at first, building up your speed and accuracy. Consistent practice will help you master these fundamental changes. The core of Love Lost revolves around a simple, repeating chord progression. You will play a minor, followed by F major, and then C major. This 3-chord sequence repeats consistently throughout the verses and choruses of the song. Listening to the original recording will help you internalize the timing and feel of these changes, guiding your rhythm and transitions. For strumming, a versatile pattern you can use is down, down, up, down, up. Focus on keeping a consistent rhythm and feel as you move through the chord progression. Start practicing at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable. Regular, focused practice will help you develop the muscle memory needed to play this song smoothly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.